My name is Jim Edwards. I'm Vice President for Operations for Inquip Associates. We are the slurry wall contractors on the Ragged Mountain Dam project. The new Ragged Mountain Dam construction project is ongoing to increase the water supply for the area there in Charlottesville. The new dam, as part of the foundation package, has a soil cement bentonite cutoff wall, which is Inquip's work. The purpose of the soil cement bentonite seepage barrier is to prevent under seepage above the rock but below the core of the dam. Access was limited, so the equipment had to be unloaded at the staging area and then brought in. Excavators had to be walked in. Also, slurry trenches are normally constructed on a flat level surface, and here we were on slopes as steep as 3 to 1, constructing the slurry trench in small panels. Slurry trenching is the excavation of deep, narrow trenches under a bentonite slurry for supportive excavation. This allows the trenches to be excavated below the groundwater table, yet maintain a very narrow 2 to 3 foot width. The bentonite slurry is pumped from the frac tank via a 4-inch HDPE pipe to the excavation. The excavation is made from top of work pad down to top of a sound rock. We continue excavating rock out until we're unable to excavate any longer. The trench, once excavated, is backfilled with soil cement bentonite mix. The soil cement bentonite is mixed in a 30 cubic yard steel box. We are making approximately 12 to 13 cubic yard batches. They're being blended with a hydraulic excavator until we have a homogeneous mix free of any large lumps or any unmixed particles. The soil cement bentonite backfill is placed into the trench on this project using the hydraulic excavator. This allows the placement of the material at the bottom of the trench without the free falling through the slurry, which would wash out fines and cement particles. At the completion of placing of the soil cement bentonite backfill, the top of the mix is covered with concrete blankets to provide warmth and to allow for curing. The bentonite slurry is tested twice per day. The samples are tested for viscosity by marsh funnel, density by mud balance, and also sand content. Samples of the soil cement bentonite are placed in 3-inch diameter molds for testing in the laboratory for hydraulic conductivity and unconfined compressive strength. Since 1977, Inquip has installed millions of square feet of soil bentonite, cement bentonite, and soil cement bentonite cutoff walls.